24 into 17. So we already know the commutative property, right? Commutative property means how we are writing A into B equal to B into A, multiplication. So in this place my A into this some value I don't know. So this is B into A, right? So what is my B value? 34. It's one of the way to find out. Okay. So A into B into A. What is the when dash is added to a number, it remains the same. So I already told, right? If I am adding 2, I need my answer also 2 means I am adding 0 only possible. Correct? The same. So if adding any number, getting with the same number means only 0. So what's 0? Divide by dash is not defined. So I already told, right, division by 0 is not defined. So obviously in this place also 0. Multiplication by dash leaves a unchanged number. So which number? So 2 into dash you getting again 2. So I multiply with 1, I am getting 2, right? So multiplied by 1 leaves a number unchanged. Number மாறாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இப்போ செகண்ட் பாருங்கள். ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ். 0 is the identity for the multiplication of the whole number. 0 is the identity for the multiplication. Identity means what? We already know if you multiply with any number getting the same number. But what they mentioned, 0 is multiplication with any number. So 0. So if you 0 into any number 2, you are getting again 0 only. So 0 is not identity of the multiply of the whole number. Correct? So multiply with 0 you are getting. So false. Whatever number you multiply with this, you are getting 0 alone. Identity means putting the value should come back. Sum of the two whole number is always less than their product. So okay, let's try. If I am having my A is 2, my B is 3. Sum of any two number I am taking 5. So product 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So sum of two whole number. This is a two whole number. This is a two product of number. So sum of two whole number is always less than product of. Yeah. So 5 is less than your product of number, right? So it's true. Are you clear? Taking any two numbers, summing that and multiply that, whether it is a less than or greater. Only they are asking. Both addition and multiplication are associated for whole number. Yeah, multiplication both. We already did, right? In your association property, what you did? Addition, both multiplication, addition are satisfying. So it is true. In both addition and multiplication or commutative property, yeah, it's also true. So A into B, B into A, that property. The multiplication is distributed over addition for whole number. So what they mention, multiplication is over addition. So first you multiply and over addition, right? So this is true. Are you clear? So I will send the question. You will write your question as well as the answer. Okay. Then now we can move to the third sum. What they given in your third sum? Name the property being illustrated in the each of the case given below. So what are the question they given? The first one, 75 plus 34 plus equal to 34 plus 75. Okay. So if I am taking A equal to 75, B equal to 34, for example. So A plus B equal to B plus A means which property is satisfying? We already know. Compare and tell. Which property is satisfying? A plus B equal to B plus A. So that is commutative over what? Addition, right? The same in this place, right? That implies it's a commutative property. Commutative property of addition. That is enough. The second one, 12 into 4 into 8 equal to 12 into 4 into 8 means what? So I am taking A equal to 12, B equal to 4, C equal to 8. So what I am having? A into B into C equal to A into B into C. What I told? Associative property means write all the multiplication. So first pair and last pair means it is under the multiplication. Therefore, which property it is? Associative of which? Multiplication. Okay, third one, 50 plus 0 equal to 50. So addition, adding some number, you are getting the same number means what? We already know 50 plus 0 equal to 50. Which property is? It's a identity of by using addition. Identity of using addition. The fourth question, 50 into 42 equal to 50 into 40 plus 50 into 2. Okay, the directly given. You are going to solve. So I can do 50 into 40. 42 can be written 40 plus 2, right? So how can I write in distributive? 50 into 40 plus 50 into 2. Are you clear in this place? My A equal to 50, B equal to 40, C equal to 2. So what I am having? A into B plus